Have you heard about affiliate marketing? And as an online business owner, you're wondering if you should add that as an income stream in your business, but you're not really sure what it involves and whether it's worth your time? If so, then stay tuned, because today we are going to talk all about affiliate marketing and how you can choose the right program to meet your needs. Hello, I'm Lindsay Sewell from lindsaysewell.com, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I help busy entrepreneurs to create more leverage, create financial independence so that you can have the life and the business that you deserve. And for 2022, I decided to really focus this channel on creating opportunities for you in your business that will help you create that leverage. In my opinion, affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to get paid with the least amount of effort and energy. And who doesn't want to make more money without more hustle and more effort? Well, if you are in for that, then you're going to want to stick around in this video. Now, if you're totally brand new to affiliate marketing, maybe you're currently a network marketer or you're a consultant or a coach and you don't know what the difference is between affiliate marketing and these other types of businesses. Well, affiliate marketing is where you get to sell a product, a tool, a service, or a resource that somebody else has created, and you earn a commission percentage from that. So if you think about this in the real world, we naturally as humans do this all the time. If your friend comes up to you and says, I love those sunglasses, you naturally want to say, oh my gosh, thank you so much. I bought them at XYZ. Or if you are excited and you find a new restaurant that you absolutely love, you have a wonderful, fantastic meal, great ambiance, what do you want to do? You want to talk about it and you want to share it with your network. Well, affiliate marketing allows you to do that for your business and also earn a commission at the same time. So it's the best of both worlds. So where can you find affiliate marketing opportunities? Well, honestly, they're all around you. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and show you some of the common ones that a lot of influencers in the online marketing space take advantage of. So I'm over here at the Amazon Affiliate Associates sign up page. So a lot of times if you've been on a YouTube video, maybe you're researching a new tool. Let's just say this Yeti mic right here. Maybe I'm looking to see whether or not I need a Yeti mic for my business as a online coach, entrepreneur, and I go over to YouTube and I start doing research and I find people doing reviews, people doing demos, people explaining to me the benefits, the pros, the cons of the Yeti mic. Chances are that person will also then put a link in the description of their video to buy this exact Yeti mic. Now, here's where the fun part comes in. 9 times out of 10, that's going to be their affiliate link. So if you're a big influencer on Instagram or YouTube or even Facebook and you have a large audience, you can simply, talk about the products, drop the link, and you can earn a commission. However, when we start looking at things like Amazon affiliates, you're really only earning 10% commission. So if this is something you're interested in, you go to this page and you can see it's simple to sign up. You just sign up, you recommend the products, and you earn 10% of the commissions. But unless you're selling really expensive things, or you have huge amounts of influence and you have a very large audience, it's gonna take you a lot of time, a lot of views, and a lot of energy to earn a reasonable income off of those 10% commissions. I think this microphone may have been $140, so $14 a pop. It's gonna take me a long time to make a living off of that. So you may want to add in other things that you can offer as well. One of my favorite affiliate programs is AppSumo. I'll go ahead and drop a link below. I'll drop my affiliate link if you also want to sign up and become an AppSumo affiliate. The beautiful part about this is that you can share this with your audience and you can earn a commission off of people signing up to become an affiliate with AppSumo. And you can also earn a commission off of the different tools and resources that you sell through AppSumo. So if you're an online business owner, a lot of the resources on AppSumo are geared toward online business owners. People who need help with content creation, with graphics tools, with, broadcasting resources and tools, maybe blog writing, all of the things that go in to building an online business. And you can promote all of these different tools and resources. So while you may only be getting a small commission percentage, you have a wide variety of resources here that you can promote to your audience. Meaning, if somebody doesn't want one of the tools, they may be interested in another one of the tools. You always have something new to give them from the same place. So you're not going around and having to manage tons and tons and tons of affiliate sites, because it can get tricky sometimes to remember, what am I promoting where? When am I going to get paid out on my commissions? They all have different payout schedules and plans. And you really want to have a good idea of what income is coming in your business and where it's coming from each and every single month. Now, if you're thinking, okay, that's fine, that's great, Lindsay, but I'm new and I don't have a big audience and I need things that are going to be either higher ticket so I can earn more money even at the same percentage rate, or I need a higher percentage rate of the product in order to have a consistent and steady income coming in to my business. Well, if that's the case and you're in online marketing, then let me go ahead and suggest you watch this video afterwards. This is my 2021 honest review of My Lead System Pro. My Lead System Pro is a company that I have been working with and using their products since 2018. And what I love about it is that it's an entire suite of marketing tools. You have customer relationship managers, funnel builders, done for you lead gen campaigns, even a business center to house and build your courses for you. You have all of those tools, as well as the marketing training, so that you know how to grow an audience, engage with that audience, and then sell that audience your various offers. So it is a tools and resources program that also has an incredible affiliate marketing component to it. So you can earn up to 67% commissions. Now, their base level membership is $49 a month as of the time of this recording. So from that, just by referring one person to their base level membership, you're able to earn about $32. If you're at the 67% commission rate, you're able to earn about $32 each month off of every single person that takes you up on that. And that's the other really neat thing about affiliate marketing, is that some products have a recurring commission structure. So while you might not think $32 sounds like a lot of money to keep your business running, if you bring in 10 people, now you're looking at $320 per month. You bring in 100 people and you're looking at over $3,000 a month, which for many people, that's more than they're making each month in their full-time job. So in order to create a successful affiliate marketing business, you want to look for companies and resources that have higher level commission rates, as well as things that you can add into your business that have recurring structures to them. So if it's a membership or it's a tool or a resource that people are going to want to use over and over and over again, you're really going to set yourself up for those recurring commissions in your business. So head to this video afterwards and take a look at it and see if it could be a good fit for you. Now, the other thing that I decided to do in 2022 was to enhance my affiliate marketing program by partnering with very powerful brands. So if you are new to the industry and you're thinking, well, why would anybody buy from me? Why would anybody listen to me? When you partner with a very powerful brand and you can simply point to that brand and people purchase and you earn the affiliate commissions because they want what that person or that brand has to offer, you get to earn the income from partnering with somebody with a lot of influence and credibility. So you can find powerful brands. You could be in health and wellness, you can be in fitness, you could be in online marketing and business. There are powerful brands for every single niche out there, and you're going to have to do your research on that based on what your brand is and what your business looks like. For me, in 2022, I decided to partner with the Goal Digger Girl brand for online marketing. You see, I work with a lot of network marketers, affiliate marketers, and coaches and consultants who really want to learn how to leverage social media in their business, how to stand out online, and how to create more sales without all of the hard hustle and the chasing and the prospecting. They want to learn how to attract people to them. But I didn't want to do all of that coaching on my own anymore. I got very burned out, if you've watched my earlier videos, from all the one-on-one coaching that I did in 2020. And so I wanted to partner with a powerful brand that would allow me to earn affiliate commissions when I helped people to get the classes and the training and the coaching that they needed to build their own businesses online. And what's really, really amazing is that the Goal Digger Girl has come out with an affiliate marketing program this year where you can actually earn a 50% commission from referring people in to the program. So if you are an affiliate marketer and you're looking for another affiliate marketing opportunity, you could share this with your audience and earn 50% commissions just from sharing the ability to become an affiliate and to earn from this program. And if you're in the network marketing, online marketing, affiliate marketing business, and you're connecting with people who want to learn, social media, who want to learn personal branding, who want to learn Instagram and short form videos, well, they have all kinds of courses that you can refer people to and earn affiliate commissions. And this is the other side of affiliate marketing. So while you want to be able to create that recurring income from memberships, you also want to have other affiliate programs that have monthly or twice monthly or quarterly launches where there's a lot of energy, there's a lot of excitement, and there's a lot of people all buying at the same time. Because honestly, people want to do things together. People want to be held accountable. They want that energy, they want that momentum. And when there's a big launch and you can place your people in front of that launch, you can place your audience in front of that launch, and you can help and serve them, and they get to do this with the crowd. They're so excited, they want to buy, and they're so grateful. So I've now decided that these are going to be my main two programs, right? I've got a recurring membership with all the tools and resources I need, and then I've got a powerful brand that I can partner with that I know and trust to put my audience in front of in order to help them grow the skills they need for their business. So I hope this was valuable for you today. I will drop the links to all those programs below. And if you have questions about affiliate marketing, I would love to hear from you in the comments. Tell me, what is your business right now? Are you a network marketer, affiliate marketer, coach, all of them? And if I can be of help to you in any way, please don't hesitate to go to my website and contact me there at lindsaysewell.com. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.